So what we're looking at right here is a Alcedo Micron. This is an Italian manufactured reel. The combo that it's attached with, the rod and the reel combo, were made for, you can see they're the Continental Arms Corporation out of New York, and this is considered a vintage rod and reel at this point. Very popular and very collectible. It's an ultralight set. When I used it for fishing, it was a lot of fun because you could pull in the smallest fish and it looked like you had a monster on because it was just so flexible and it was just a lot of fun to fish with. However, because it is such a collectible piece of fishing equipment, I've decided to retire this unit and go and buy myself something a little bit newer and a little bit less expensive, so in case I do break it, I'm not gonna cry. So anyway, here you go. Thanks for watching. Just to show you the basic features of the reel here, the Alcedo Micron. Pretty basic. It also has, this is forward or reverse here. You could also lock it, so it does have that clicking sound when it's in this position, but you can't go backwards with it. So if you want some silent running, push the button in, and there you go. So let's get a better view of the writing on the rod itself. We've got Continental Arms Corporation, New York, and then here in cursive, again, Continental. This is Continental Alcedo Micron. This is a custom-made 5.5, 1 7/8 ounce. So that is the writing that's on the rod.